Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out the top 5 best glue for car bumper repair that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue. This polyurethane glue is known for its incredibly strong bond that expands 3 times into materials. It's perfect for bonding a wide range of surfaces, including wood, metal, ceramic, glass, concrete, and more. It's waterproof, temperature-resistant, and forms a durable bond that holds up under both hot and cold conditions. The design of the Gorilla Glue bottle makes it easy to dispense, but its water-activated formula requires a bit of prep work, as the surface needs to be damp for optimal adhesion. Once cured, it creates a tough bond that's resistant to the elements, making it ideal for outdoor applications and repairs where exposure to weather is a concern. However, the expansion property may make it less precise for detailed bumper repairs. This glue is a fantastic all-purpose adhesive, but it's not specifically tailored for automotive bumper repairs. It's better suited for general repairs and projects. The lack of a price point may make it harder to compare value, but given Gorilla's reputation for toughness and durability, it's a reliable option for heavy-duty applications. If versatility and strength are your priorities, Gorilla Glue is a great pick. At number 3, we have the Weld Auto Weld, a high-strength automotive adhesive specifically designed for bumper, grille, dashboard, and body panel repairs. With an impressive tensile strength of 3,770 psi, this product delivers lasting durability and impact resistance. It sets in just 15 minutes and cures fully within 30 minutes, allowing you to sand and paint it quickly for a seamless finish. The AutoWeld syringe design includes a self-mixing static mixer, ensuring an easy and precise application. This feature eliminates the hassle of manual mixing, making it ideal for DIY users. The adhesive is designed not to shrink over time, enhancing the longevity of repairs. It's versatile and compatible with fiberglass, metal, plastic, and even rubber surfaces, making it a dependable choice for various automotive fixes. Although AutoWeld excels in performance, its price is currently unavailable, which may make it difficult to assess its overall value. Additionally, while it's perfect for bumper repairs, some users may find it limited for non-automotive applications. If you're looking for a quick-setting, high-strength adhesive tailored for automotive needs, AutoWeld is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Weld 50133 Plastic Bonder Structural Adhesive Syringe. As the budget-friendly option in this lineup, priced at just $6.98, this product offers excellent value for DIY enthusiasts. It's a quick-setting, multi-purpose urethane adhesive with a tensile strength of 3,770 psi, making it ideal for bumper repairs, filling dents, and other plastic fixes. The tan-colored adhesive cures within 30 hours, providing a strong and lasting bond. The syringe design is user-friendly, featuring a resealable cap that prevents drying out, allowing for multiple uses. The product comes with a mixing tray and stir stick, ensuring precise application. Its compatibility with thermoplastics, coated metals, concrete, and more makes it incredibly versatile. However, the longer cure time may be less convenient if you need instant results. This product is great for those on a budget who still want high-quality repairs. The tan color may not match all surfaces, but it can be painted over for a better finish. If affordability without sacrificing performance is your priority, the Weld 50133 Plastic Bonder is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Weld 5139 Plastic Bonder Body Panel Adhesive and Gap Filler Syringe. Priced at $6.99, this product is the premium option in our lineup. It's a quick-setting, 2-part urethane adhesive system with a tensile strength of 3,770 psi, making it ideal for bumper repairs, gap filling, and structural fixes. The black adhesive sets in 15 minutes and cures in just 30 minutes, allowing for sanding and painting shortly after application. The syringe design is straightforward and easy to use, with a 1-to-1 mixing ratio that ensures consistent results. This adhesive works on a wide range of surfaces, including thermoplastics, carbon fiber composites, coated metals, and concrete. The black color blends well with most automotive surfaces, offering a seamless finish without requiring additional paint. Its quick cure time, high strength, and versatility make it the best choice for car bumper repairs. The only downside is that it's slightly more expensive than the budget option, but the price difference is negligible considering the added benefits. If you want the strongest bond and fastest results, the JB Weld 5139 plastic bonder is the clear winner in this comparison. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.